Buttonwood Canal has 4 bedrooms.
Wow.
Yes. 4 bathrooms.
What?
It's got 2,775 square feet. The price is at $419,000, right at the top. Listen, we can always go down, but let's start big.
We'll go big.
Shall we?
We shall.
2-car garage.
Fantastic.
And we got dolphins greeting you.
Oh, how fantastic.
And a heart.
Oh.
Could you say Florida more?
It is Florida all over it.
Come on in, guys.
Wow.
What is this, like the Parthenon? Or
Yes.
what is this? I love it.
Insane.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I mean, this room is bigger than our apartment.
Great. Coming from a 900 square foot apartment to this has got to be overwhelming. Now, you wanted a kitchen, right?
Oh my God.
This is a kitchen.
It's a kitchen, right? There's
this is-
so much space.
There's kitchen and there's more kitchen.
There's more kitchen.
I'm
This
pretty
is a
happy.
lot of kitchen.
The amount of storage is unreal.
Isn't that great?
I mean,
Look at all
it's-
these cabinets.
There's so much. You deserve it.
On.
The dining room and living rooms are big and bright too. And there's plenty of room for visitors with 3 guest bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on this side of the house. The other side is all for Melanie and David.
And here is the main bedroom.
This is a main bedroom.
I like
Right.
it.
This is huge.
This is good. From what we're coming from to this, outstanding. This is ridiculous.
It's luxurious, isn't
Yeah.
it?
It is.
We haven't
No.
even seen the ensuite. Why don't you guys check it out?
Oh,
This is so
my.
good.
This is
Oh, he's going right for the shower.
monstrous.
Literally could lay down in there.
And whatever you do when I'm not around, I have no judgments.
But the real showstopper is outside.
Here is
Oh,
where
wow.
life begins.
Look at this. This is fantastic.
This is like what I moved to Florida for.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay? Yeah. I mean, right here.
It's good, right? Got your bird cage. We're not in a pet
pool.
store.
All I want to do is get in.
There you go. I can help you. Do you guys like the property?
Yes.
We do.
It's good,
I love
right?
the palm trees.
So you had mentioned that it's a lot of house. Both
It
of you
is
had
a
said
lot
that.
of house, and it's a
lot.
lot of money,
A lot of money.
too.
It's right at the top of your
It
budget.
is at the
But you
top.
know what? Who cares?
I think we should look at something a little
So you're the
lower.
reasonable one, I see.
I try to be.
He is the one that just reacts, and I like that. Before we leave this neighborhood, there's so much great landscaping here. Let's go look at the palm
All
trees.
right, sounds good.
Shall we?
Palm trees?
Will that make you smile?
Maybe not.
I promised TJ that I would stick under budget, which I did. I just went up like $100,000. Still under the budget, though. Yes, of course, but look at you, sporting the rainbow deliciousness. And do I see a matchy match? Do we have the same?
Yes.
Twinning! All right, so what do you think of this neighborhood?
I think it's cute, but I still like yesterday's.
You love the vintage, right?
Yes.
Poppy Promenade, adorable name, right?
Yes.
It's got 4 bedrooms. You get your choice yet again. It's got 2.5 bathrooms. It's our largest house at 2,306 square feet, and the price is our most expensive, $865,000.
Okay, still under budget.
Still under budget.
Perfect.
Are you gonna check it out?
Yes.
All right. Look how cute you are. All right, here we go, guys. All right, these are adorable, right? You have this little vintage moment. Come on in, guys.
Wow.
It's fun, right?
Ooh, nice high ceilings. I really
Tall
like that.
Ceilings.
Really like that.
What do you think of all these stairs?
I'm a little nervous because they are a little wide.
Right.
I don't know any baby gates that are that wide.
It's a lot. I know. It's a little scary. Okay, so I know TJ's not here, so we need to keep him informed. He's asked me to have you send pictures. Do you have
all the
a
way
wide
down?
angle on here? Yeah, float around. Show your fabulous self to your dad. Yes. Come on, cuties. So here we have our more formal area, and hello.
Okay. My husband will greatly appreciate this.
It's so cute, right?
Very cute.
Nice
I
little
like it.
unexpected moment. Sophia, take one of her in the bar.
Okay.
Why not? There we go. And yes, good. Yes, girl. Oh, yeah. And if you don't love this kitchen,
Oh my gosh. I could do so much baking in here.
Right?
This is so much space. I love this.
isn't this gorgeous? But it's not just counter space. It's
The
like
windows.
look at these windows.
Yes.
They're amazing.
You like that?
You can see right out there.
Yeah, step over here and grab all the windows so you can just see how much they are.
The perfection continues upstairs with beautiful finishes and, of course, enough bedrooms for all the kids.
You get to choose because you're here first, doing all the heavy lifting. It's cute, right?
Yeah, I like
This
that
is
nook.
really cute.
Yeah, I have a record player. It would fit perfect there.
I love that. She's already designing the
I'm
room.
right.
Right?
This neutral reno is perfect for individual touches, and it screams luxury.
Huge main bedroom.
Ooh, okay.
It's good, right?
It's a huge size.
Why don't you guys check out the main bathroom?
Wow.
I know. I know.
This is like the size of my room right now.
It's huge. He's asking for pictures. Go on the bed and really sell it.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, work at it.
I don't
Work
want to
at it.
mess up their white sheets.
Oh, it's fine. It's just. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Ooh.
Well, if that doesn't sell TJ the house, the outdoor area will certainly tempt him.
This is a good size yard.
Isn't this fun?
Definitely a good size yard. My dogs will appreciate it.
Of course, and your kids.
Yes.
So, should we get out of the hot sun?
Yes.
I mean, it's California. What is supposed to be almost 100 today?
It's a nice little hangout area.
Yeah.
I like it. This is a really good outside space. I like that it's separate.
Yeah.
Because then the dogs are kind of contained on this side. Yeah, it's a lot to think about.
It's a lot to think about. So take your time. I could be in California forever. Let's go walk around the neighborhood and be nosy.
Sounds good.
Huntington House is a great house. It's on a great piece of property, and this house has loads of space. And the price, get this, is $260,000. It's a steal. It's not going to be on the market very long at all. Nice to see you guys.
Nice to see you
Thank
too.
you.
You look good in color. Look, color everywhere.
Yeah.
Are you excited about this?
Oh, yeah, I'm excited to see this house.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about Huntington House. It's got 4 bedrooms, yes, 2 bathrooms, has just shy of 2,000 square feet, and the price is fantastic at $260,000.
I like it. I want to see inside.
Let's get in there and check it out.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's do this. I mean, look at these cute trees. They're so pretty.
A lot of flowers around here.
So great, isn't it?
Yes.
Cute little flower. I mean, it's just charming. There's so much cuteness around.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Come on in.
Oh,
I know.
that's nice.
Nice. Big space, hardwood floors.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm not touching the ceilings.
I'm not touching them either. They are good 9-foot ceilings, which is really nice. You like it?
Yes, I love it.
Come on to the kitchen.
Oh,
So it's a huge kitchen.
oh, I like
It's big,
it.
right? Yeah.
Big.
Much bigger than yesterday.
Storage.
It's got good bones. I actually think these are really cute. I love the look. The cabinets are in great shape. Now, you're going to be renovating this house, right? Or
Right.
redoing some things?
Probably new counter.
New counter, like
Yeah,
maybe a
yeah,
granite
yes.
or some stone of some
Right.
sort. What I love about this space is that we have all of this space over here to turn into an eat-in kitchen, and the sliding glass doors just add so much life and light here.
And the view is nice.
View is really great. I love it. All right, so we have a dining room right here, which is great for family, and 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom down here. Let's go check them out.
The bathroom is a good size, but it could definitely use some updating. And the 2 bedrooms downstairs could be used as guest rooms or even a playroom. Because upstairs there are 2 amazing bedrooms that have already been renovated.
Come on into the main bedroom. A little
I see
different
it.
than yesterday, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
Adds more character, it feels bigger because of this.
Yeah.
So I know a yard is very important for you, and it's super charming, so I'm very excited to show you. Shall we? How excited are you?
Really excited.
Woohoo! I mean, look how cute this is. So much space, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what's great about this yard is that it continues all the way around the other house, and there's a deck that's connected to right off the dining room, which is wonderful.
Have a little dinner out there or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Love it. So we have so much privacy here and so much lush landscaping, and it just stops here. I would add some beautiful trees here, just so you have all of this beautiful shade, which is always really nice. And it always just
privacy.
adds more value to the house. The more trees, the better. This is the first house that we're showing that has a finished basement. There's gonna be 6 people living here, so having that extra level to kind of hide for the kids, for the adults, and for the mom is super important. So I'm so excited to see what they think of this house.
Hello.
I mean, can we talk about this neighborhood for a second?
Oh, it was amazing
Yes.
walking in.
Drive-in.
The drive-in was awesome.
Right?
Like, those are some big houses right there. Yeah.
Come on. I mean, what do you think of the house?
It's amazing. Yes.
Right.
It looks amazing. And I It love really the does.
Yep,
brick all on the outside.
yep. Ready to hear about it?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so I'm calling this one the Devereux. It's got 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms,
Oh, wow.
4,022 square feet, sits on a half an acre, and we're at $419,000.
Not too bad. It's right at the tippy top.
Right at the
yeah,
tippy
right
top. I know, it's right there. I pushed it. You said I could.
You can.
We have a lot of house to look at, so I say we get started.
I'm
Because we're going to
excited.
be here for a while.
I'm
Let's
ready.
do it.
Right. Stone here is really
This
beautiful.
is really nice. I like it.
Let's start the tour.
Oh,
wow.
David. Yesterday was nice, but
Look
this
at
one
this.
is huge.
It's so
Wow.
Look at that
Shanghai
chandelier
ceilings.
Yep. I love a staircase right when you walk in, especially when it has all of this great detail. Great for decorating
Yes.
for all holidays.
Yes.
And we got
That's
a
a
lot
lot.
of house to look at, so
Let's
let's
go look.
continue.
Take a look.
So this would be considered the formal living room.
I like this.
Okay.
I think you're really going to love the dining room because it's our biggest dining room by far.
Oh,
For
wow.
family,
yes.
you could put a whole
Get a
nother
whole big
table
table.
here, and this could be, I mean, you could fit 20 people in
Yeah,
here
for
easily.
sure.
Yeah. I think you're really going to love the kitchen,
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at the stone on the side.
right?
See it. I like these countertops too,
Yeah.
right here.
Countertops are gorgeous.
The backsplash.
The finishes are just a little bit more expensive. They're a little bit better done. So you can see it's like, why fix it if it's not
Right.
broke? You know?
Yes.
And then right off the kitchen, of course, is the family room.
Oh, I love the bookshelves.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a beautiful house. It's nicely appointed. You can see why it's a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, it's
much more.
not too.
Not that much.
I just won $2 million. It's okay.
Yeah.
I don't
Forever
mind
home.
spending it if it's forever.
Good.
Now that's the sound of a millionaire right there, people. Their bougie kids are going to love the size of these bedrooms. Mom and Dad get the main suite at the other end of the house, but the basement is where the money is.
Oh, so it's looking like we can separate mother from
Oh,
everybody.
David, you outdid yourself on this one.
There's a lot happening
Yes.
down here. There's
This
so much
is-
space.
Another
Insane.
house down here.
It
Huh?
is another house.
This basement is 1,000 square feet of deliciousness. It has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and literally no projects. There's one teeny tiny task on the back porch, though.
All right, so here is the project.
Oh, this is cute.
It is. It's
This is
in
nice.
the process of being a 3-season porch.
I love it.
It has a lot of potential in it.
Why don't you guys take a peek and see how large this yard is?
Wow, this is a huge yard.
It's huge. It's manageable,
Mm-hmm.
but it's still a lot of space for the kids and the dogs to run around.
Yes, already fenced in
Yep.
as well. This is really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But do we want to spend, more
We're already
between?
at the top of the
We're at-
budget.
And this needs to be finished.
Right,
I mean,
there's
this is
no-
Yeah, it has to
raw
be.
wood. Now, whether the current homeowner will finish it for you, it's a whole nother story.
We have a
So
lot of thinking to
definitely
do
a lot of
between
thinking.
all
It is a
three.
lot of thinking to do, and that's something you guys really need to buckle down. So I'm gonna let you guys take in the house, wander around the backyard, wander around the basement, really take it in. I'm gonna be outside, just waiting for you guys.
All right,
Sound
awesome.
good?
Thank you
Sounds
so
good.
much.
Enjoy.
Thank
you.
Can you see us living here though?
Yeah, minus the brown grass.
Concord Creek has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, just shy of 1,300 square feet. Very manageable.
Yes.
No projects on the inside, but the projects are on the outside. The backyard needs stuff. And you know what?
What? Tell us.
We are under budget at
Ooh, yeah.
$285,000.
Okay.
Saving you money
Yes.
every day, all day. You guys ready to check it out?
Yes, let's do this.
Dream home, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
2-car garage.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes,
Yes.
let's do
All
this.
right, come on in.
Oh, my God.
Liking it so far.
Liking it
Oh,
so
yeah.
far?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, are we already doing it? Are we already doing it? Oh, you got. Is that your happy dance?
Yes.
When do you do your happy dance?
Every time we're happy.
When you're happy. Do you guys want to sit down and enjoy?
Yes.
Feel the
Absolutely.
space? All right. Everything's nice, right?
It is.
Now, it's not truly open. Is that open enough for you?
I
It
like
feels
it.
like good vibes in here.
Good.
Yes.
All right, so before we get to the kitchen, we can do the main bedroom or we could do the guest bedrooms.
Let's start with the gas.
All right, look at you looking out for other people.
Yeah.
The best
I
is
love
for the
that.
end.
The guest is
Let's
good.
go check it out.
There's actually an entire guest wing. with a full bath and not one, but 2 huge bedrooms for their visitors.
Oh, wow.
Man.
Third bedroom.
Yes.
This is
Love it.
nice. We have a lot of
Yeah.
family members for vacation.
Good.
They're going to need a decent kitchen too, if they're going to be the host with the most.
Beautiful eat-in kitchen here.
Nice.
Come on in.
Wow.
The finishes are beautiful.
Yes.
We have granite countertops. You can tell everything in here is all
Yes.
redone.
There's
Yeah.
no work to be done to it.
I love it.
No. Now, you said you wanted some space to mow lawn.
Yes.
Now, I'd said it was just under 1/3 of an acre, so let's check out what you're going to be mowing.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
baby.
See, that's what I'm talking.
Obviously, it's a very large backyard, but it does need a deck, a lanai,
Yes.
pool, or whatever your pleasure.
Plenty of space for that.
Yeah,
That's for sure.
Plenty.
And that just leaves one room left to look at, and that's the main bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Main
Look
Oh,
at
bedroom.
this.
my God.
Now, this is a main
This is
room.
what we're talking about.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
So, did you have an ensuite attached to your main bedroom?
No, where we at
No.
now? No
Well,
way.
you do
We only have
here. Check it out.
Look at that.
Nice. Look, we both can fit in there.
Let's go.
We both can fit in here.
Wait a minute.
The happy dance.
Oh, yeah.
I see you. I see that.
That's nice.
Do you guys like the property?
We love
Yes.
it.
Good. Should we just stop now?
No,
No, we want to keep looking.
We
we don't want to
Keep
keep
looking.
looking. Yes.
Give me what you need.
We can put our stamp on it.
You wanted something you
yes.
could put a little bit more of your personality into
Yeah.
it. Okay. Got it. Let's go and see if we can get to our cars because it's been raining all
Yes.
day, shall we?
Absolutely.